Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, we all know that Durga Puja is coming, and obviously, today's video is on Ma Durga. So, today I'm gonna show you a very simple process of Ma Durga drawing. So, without talking more, let's start today's video. So guys, this is my final work. Hope you like it. If you like, then hit the like button, and if you don't subscribe to this channel, then please do subscribe, and also leave your valuable comment for this drawing. I shall meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching.